Hello, if you want to change wallpaper on Redmi Watch 5 Active, first of all open Mi Fitness application, click on Device and tap to manage band displays. Now you can actually scroll down and find some recommendations, but you can also go for all of them right here. And let's say that I want to get some fresh and fun watch faces. Now if I like this one, I can just tap on it and click Apply. Now just wait for this process, and as you can see in my case I've got not enough space. So what I have to do is just to go back, click on local one and remove some watch faces that you are actually not using, like the default one for example. Now go back to the watch face that you want to apply and you have to simply tap on it to apply. So let's get maybe this one. Click Apply. And as you can see right now it's finished. Thanks for watching.